5 reasons why you must visit the Greenpoint Park. There are many reasons why you must visit the Cape Town Greenpoint Park, but I'll list 5 of them for now. Number 1. Enjoy beautiful scenery. When I mentioned that there's a lot of beautiful scenery in the area, this is true. Walk alongside the wetlands where you'll be able to spot water birds frolicking and take note of the water flora diversity. Fresh water flows from Table Mountain down through the wetlands, taking the ocean breeze coming from Sea Point Promenade. Then turn around and snap pictures of the beautiful Table Mountain, Lion's Head, and Cape May Town Stadium. What more could you possibly ask for? Number 2. Pick and choose a picnic area. If you are with friends or family, take the opportunity to host a picnic in the park. Greenpoint Urban Park has several picnic areas with tables and benches. It's a wonderful location to enjoy company with your loved ones. The park is also dog-friendly, and you can wander along the paths enjoying the walks and the biodiversity along the way. So do take a moment to breathe and relax. Number 3. Educate yourself in a biodiversity garden. Do you love nature? The Greenpoint Urban Park has its own biodiversity garden, where you can learn more about the Western Cape fauna and flora, which simply means plants and animals of that region. Follow the biodiversity trails and use the interactive boards to learn about the plants in and around the area. If you are the type that likes to learn more about South Africa, make sure you check out this garden. Quite interesting. Number 4. Take advantage of the fitness equipment. If you are one of those people who enjoy fitness, then make sure you spend some time in the park using the free fitness equipment. Ride a bicycle alongside the cycling lanes and enjoy runs through the park. There is something for everyone here, so there's no excuse for this activity. Number 5. Watching the kids play. I think this is a favorite pastime for anyone with children. While you enjoy a cup of coffee or tea in the park, relax while your children enjoy themselves in the playground areas. Greenpoint Urban Park has 3 different playgrounds around for different age groups. Find these playgrounds while you're here. Tots Play Park for children 1 to 6 years old. Adventure Play Park, children 7 to 16 years old. An outdoor labyrinth, a space to relax and reflect. So next time you're in South Africa, remember Cape May is a must and the Greenpoint Park. Also, do remember to like, subscribe, and share. I'll see you next time.